Hi there, students. To demoralize, a verb. Demoralized, an adjective. Demoralizing, another adjective. And I guess demoralization, the noun for the quality. Okay, so if somebody feels demoralized, they feel less confident. So to demoralize, to make somebody feel much less confident. Seeing my team let in 2 goals in the first 5 minutes was very demoralizing. It was depressing. It made me feel bad. It weakened my confidence. It weakened the confidence of the whole team. So to demoralize, to cause somebody to lose hope or to lose confidence. Let's see, in warfare you can try to demoralize the enemy. Demoralization, to erode their morale. Notice morale with an E as opposed to moral. Your morale is how good you feel. If your morale is high, you feel really buoyant and positive. Yeah, so if your enemy is demoralized, they feel rather depressed. They feel that we're not going to win. And normally if people feel demoralized, they don't perform very well. So to dishearten somebody, to undermine their confidence. The staff were very demoralized by the fact that the company was losing large amounts of money. He was very demoralized by the defeat that he received in the elections. His supporters are very demoralized by the lack of consistency of their candidate. Okay, so depressed, dispirited, downhearted. Yeah, to feel a bit down. Yeah, so to feel undermined and a bit depressed, to feel rattled. Yeah, so one of the objectives of this tactic is to demoralize the opposition, to make them feel, we're never going to win. Yeah, that this was a very demoralizing thing. Yeah, literally it means to turn somebody away from what is true or right, to weaken the spirit of somebody. Yeah, this was very demoralizing. The banks repossessing the properties of people that couldn't pay their mortgages was demoralizing an already very weak property market. Okay, so to dishearten, to discourage. The team were exhausted and demoralized because they'd worked very hard, but they hadn't had any success at all. Yeah, they felt rather broken, if you like. Okay, so they were thrown into confusion. So demoralized, formality. I'm going to give it a 5.5. I think you can use it anywhere. It's a touch on the formal side, but only a touch. And let's see, as to origin, it comes from French demoraliser. Okay, so the opposite, and from morale, or how somebody feels. Yeah, whether they feel good, whether they feel up or down. So I think that's enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Demoralizing, demoralized, demoralize.